Every company produces a huge amount of documents every day. The information that the entire document contains is the capital, and well as the foundation of the success of the company. Every document is created in an entirely different way, and it exists in various versions. Documents are created, tagged, checked, signed, placed on resubmission, connected to workflows, completed, stored, and constantly searched again. All this requires a lot of time and resources, which in turn results in higher costs. That's why it makes sense to invest time in monitoring and optimizing these processes and procedures. This is where PaperOffice comes into play. What is PaperOffice? PaperOffice is the ultimate document management system and arguably the most innovative system for centrally managing all your documents and information. With PaperOffice, you can improve your service to customers and partners, easily maintain a clear overview of your information, whether paper or digital, and maximize your document security and availability. In particular, the audit-proof and highly encrypted document storage system, which directly places every document in a central SQL database, fulfills all of the requirements of document standards and legal guidelines, such as the European GDPR and the world's highest German GOBD standard. And by the strict renunciation of cloud storage, you will not disclose any sensitive data to third parties, violate any of the European GDPR, nor giving unauthorized access to your company's information. What can PaperOffice do? PaperOffice can record your documents from all sources and save them in a consistent digital format. Especially for this task, PaperOffice contains a wide variety of powerful tools to do these processes optimally. Scan documents are added via the integrated PaperOffice Scan Connect feature, which supports, among other things, document digitization from all scanners, multifunction devices, mobile apps, and also large copiers, BizHub, etc. The creation and processing of barcodes, the intelligent sorting for mass scans, the automatic versioning for existing documents. In addition, it has all the necessary tools, like separating page to separate a document stack into individual documents, page rotation, and drag and drop function to combine the pages. Files are added via the integrated PaperOffice File Connect feature, which supports, among other things, addition of documents by simple drag and drop, monitoring of whole directories, including complex storage masks, and full automation of XML control files, mass import of already existing databases. Microsoft Office documents and Microsoft Outlook emails are added via the integrated PaperOffice Office Connect feature, which supports, among other things, direct one-click document submission in Word and Excel, direct one-click emailing, including attachments in Outlook, monitoring of entire Outlook folders, including complex storage masks for a legally secure email archiving, printable documents, such as those from SAP or any other application, are added via the integrated virtual PaperOffice printer, which, thanks to XML capability, even integrates seamlessly into any application. Screenshots are added by the PaperOffice Screen Capture feature, and whole websites are archived by PaperOffice Web Capture feature. To put it in a nutshell, PaperOffice supports the storage and processing of all documents and information that comes with your daily work. It can be integrated anywhere, through the included API, and even customized to your needs. And as soon as documents are added to PaperOffice, PIA will take care of everything that otherwise would be a hassle for you. PIA is the PaperOffice Integrated AI, meaning PaperOffice Intelligent Automation, and it will analyze every added document and break it down into so-called blockchains through the integrated computer vision, recognize text and match it through PaperOffice Smart Spell feature with the help of dictionaries, and then index it thanks to visual and keyword recognition features for the integrated PaperOffice search engine. This means that PIA will provide you with your very own and powerful search engine for all your information, where you can search and find text just as you would do in Google, but also contains the visual feature to compare and recognize documents visually. Once these documents have been learned in, they are automatically recognized by PIA, and from that moment it automatically triggers rules and storage masks. Manual storage is part of the past. With PaperOffice, you can get a piece of the future. PIA fully autonomously without any user interaction and for a limited number of documents can read out the documents, tag them, index them, create new target folder structures, place the documents in a target folder, create thumbnails of the documents, provide them as PDF, complete required fields independently, link to contacts, and optimize the text for contact search, deposit notes, add and monitor tasks and workflows that need to be done, to list only a few possibilities. PIA does everything for you, which otherwise would normally be laborious and time-consuming if you would mean to do it manually. Of course, you can always decide what PIA should do for you and what not. All work done by PIA can also be changed to be manual. And now that everything has been filed, PaperOffice can deliver its full performance. Are you looking for a specific document? Just enter the keywords, just as you are used to from Google. Do you want to send a found document? Choose the sharing method with Outlook, and PaperOffice even packages and encrypts the document. Export documents for the text consultant. Choose Export and PaperOffice will even create an importable Excel file with all the document and tagging information. You have a task for your colleague. Simply place a new task on a document or documents area. Are you looking for all the documents of a specific customer? Select the contact in PaperOffice and then display all documents. Evaluating certain document collection in Big Data? Create custom Big Data analytics without restrictions. The capabilities of PaperOffice are unlimited, and we guarantee that you will never give it back again after using it. In summary, PaperOffice automatically converts all added and saved information into digital formats. All documents are highly secure encrypted with 1024-bit strong military encryption and stored in accordance with GDPR guidelines in a database. That's what I need. How can I use PaperOffice? PaperOffice is a modern 64-bit application that supports all modern PC systems running on Windows 7 and Windows 10. With its unique scalable architecture, it can be used by home users, small and medium-sized enterprises, and large corporations, enabling it to be adapted to any requirements at any time and integrated into any infrastructure. Thus, PaperOffice has already a high-performance database as standard, which is set up automatically for single-user installations to make commissioning as easy as possible. Of course, you can also use your own database server. Although PaperOffice supports all modern MySQL and MariaDB databases by default, we recommend the use of a NAS, Network Attached Storage, to achieve full performance. The NAS is the centerpiece of PaperOffice, which is built upon as a foundation. It is virtually the seed for your future document tree. It will centralize everything, from document to information, into a single central database stored on the NAS. The use of an NAS brings immense benefits. Since PaperOffice does not rely on an outdated server-client structure like other solutions, in which all work and storage processes are performed centrally on a server, and the performance of the connected PCs is not used, PaperOffice has the unique PaperOffice Swarm technology, which intelligently performs all the compute-intensive background services, so-called cluster tasks. And among all the servers available in the network, so the NAS is used only for centralized data storage and data backup. This technology provides both optimal utilization and security for your network. As PCs become more efficient, their potential is perfectly balanced in the Swarm. This also means that if you access to your PaperOffice data with the PaperOffice app, for example, you will have access to your document information at all times, but the files will always be stored permanently on your NAS. If you need a document, it will be retrieved in real time through the PaperOffice own cloud technology. This will give you maximum data security, and it will not violate the European GDPR, nor disclose your documents to any third parties. You can select in PaperOffice if only the document information, including the keyword search, is provided online. Optionally, you can include to or not the preview image and/or original file. The German PaperOffice data center works as a pure mediation server, which means that search-relevant information about your documents is encrypted and stored anonymously, but not the original files themselves. These files will only be streamed to your device upon your request, which is highly secure and encrypted thanks to the integrated endpoint-to-endpoint encryption. You'll have all the benefits of a cloud, but your data stays with you. PaperOffice combined with your NAS guarantees the best of both worlds. And if you still need a cloud, for example, if your internet bandwidth is not sufficient, or you need additional protection against failure, theft, or any fortuitous incident, then PaperOffice can offer you probably the safest cloud solution worldwide. The PaperOffice German Cloud is a high-security data center in Germany, in which your own NAS is located. You will not share hardware with other users. nor have anyone accessing to your NAS. And if you want, you can always pick up your own NAS. Try that with a standard cloud provider. As you can see, PaperOffice fulfills all your wishes as an intelligent, all-in-one solution with minimal administrative effort and powerful document functions. Smart storage, internal search engine, filter and export functions, contact management, calendar management, notes and tasks, internal messaging system, ready for big data, and much more. Take up the fight against the flood of your documents and your insecure cloud by relying on one of the most innovative systems worldwide. German know-how and total security included. PaperOffice.com